Hello viewers, welcome to the Nifty and Bank Nifty daily analysis. In this analysis, analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty based on price action, support resistance and trend lines. Okay, so this is going to be straight, simple and no nonsense approach. Let us start with Bank Nifty. So on the weekly close or the monthly close day, the 23rd February, Bank Nifty formed uh, almost a dragonfly doji, and this was coming at the end of a downtrend. So this was the downtrend, and we had a dragonfly doji on 23rd February. So that was a bullish sign. It could have been a bullish reversal if the price closed above this doji's body on 24th. So in accordance with this bullish sentiment, price opened higher at this level on 24th, that is on Friday, and it tried to go up slightly, but it faced resistance from higher levels and eventually it engulfed the doji's body and closed below it. And another significant thing is the close of Friday's session in Bank Nifty happens to be below the low of this bearish candle, which again reinforces the bearish trend. So whatever that bullish sentiment that happened to have been witnessed on the month and monthly expiry was negated by the weekend candle. So looking at it the other way, from a different time scale, let us see how the weekly candle looks like in Bank Nifty. So on a weekly time scale also, Bank Nifty looks to be in a downtrend, and that downtrend seems to be gaining traction now. Okay, and let us see if we have any weekly supports close by. Okay, so the weekly 50 moving average is about 38,800 level, which is roughly 1000 points from here. So that is definitely not going to come into play within this week. Okay, and looking at the daily candle, so we have a 200-day moving average coming closer to the candle level. So that is at about 39,300, which is roughly 600 points away from the close of Friday's candle. So at this point, there may be a little more down. There can be another lower close, or there can be a sideways movement to consolidate, and eventually a testing of this 200-day average will happen, and we have to see, depending on the price action, then whether there will be enough support for a bounce or whether the 200-day moving average will break. But in any case, I don't think 200-day moving average will break right away. There may be a test, and if the bearishness is strong enough, then it may break later. And looking at the intraday price action, so as I mentioned earlier, intraday price action Bank Nifty is very clear. It opened higher, it tried to go above, there was strong resistance from higher levels, which pushed the price steadily down. There was an uptick every time there was an uptick, the price got pushed down. So the selling in Bank Nifty is clear and strong. So we can expect further down move can be expected, but at the same time, looking at the way the intraday trend looks like, see, it has been falling all the way here, and now slowly, even though there were small ups and downs, it is eventually trending sideways. So this slow sideways trend can happen while the price decreases slowly, and if the bearishness builds up, then we may see a down move and test of the 200-day moving average. And looking at Nifty, so Nifty has been falling for like what the past 7 sessions. So And one more thing, with the Nifty fall also, it is a very steep fall, so we may see some sideways movement, and we don't know whether the sideways movement will be slightly up, or it will slowly dribble down. Okay, and looking at the intraday movement, so intraday movement also is not so much of the, I mean, we don't see as much consolidation in Bank Nifty as we see in the sorry, we don't see as much consolidation in Nifty as it is there in the Bank Nifty. But still here, it seems like the downward movement has taken slowed down. I don't want to say it's paused or it has stopped, but the same slope that we see here is not happening here right now. For a few sessions, it went almost horizontal, and now we see one more small down move. So again, we don't know. We have to see whether Monday will show some sideways movement, or whether Monday will open lower and some consolidation will happen, or like that. But overall, the trend is down, and that is clear and strong. And coming back to the daily time scale, one more interesting observation that we can infer from this is that, look at this 50-day moving average. This is 50-day moving average, the pink one. So, and this is the 100-day moving average. So the 50-day moving average has inverted, and it has crossed below the 100-day moving average here. So this is a very strong indication that the overall sentiment is down, and the trend and the downtrend is firmly established. And the 100-day moving average has not inverted yet, but if the downtrend continues, the 100-day moving average also will eventually invert, and by that point I think this 200-day moving average may be tested and broken also. But again, that may or may not happen immediately, and before the 200-day average being broken, we may see some consolidation. And to conclude the analysis on Monday, it can be a small down move, or it can be a consolidation also. But in any case, the week is not there should be a consolidation sometime during the week. It can be on Monday, or it can be on one of the later days. But after the consolidation, we may see further down move. So the supports seem to be like, for Monday, for Nifty 17,420, 17,350 and 17,300 are the supports, and resistance is between 17,500 and 17,600. So the resistance is very evident from the previous price action. So every up move or bounce from the lows is being strongly pushed down. So for Bank Nifty also, supports are at 39,550 and 39,300, and the resistance is at 40,500 level and above. So with that, I conclude the analysis, and let us meet again after the close of the Monday's session. So manage your risk well, keep your capital safe, take your trades cautiously, and I hope everyone will have a good trading day on Monday. Thank you, and do subscribe to the channel.